Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhamecha and I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test would be recorded. May I know your full name, please?
My name is Vanshika.
How may I address you?
You can call me please as Vanshika.
Good. May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here's my passport.
Okay. Okay, that's good, Vanshika. Where do you live?
I live in Tohana. It is located in the northern part of my country. Moreover, it is known as the City of Canals.
Okay. Are you student or working?
Actually, I am a student. Recently, I have done my graduation from IG College.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on rain. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, definitely. I really like rainy days as there is something claiming about the sound of rain and it makes the atmosphere more cozy.
Hmm. Does it rain much in your country?
Yes, it does rain a lot in my country because, especially in the monsoon season, it occurs in the months of June and September.
Mhm. Would you like to live in a place that is dry or wet?
Yes, I would prefer living in the dry places because I enjoy sunny weather and less humidity. Moreover, dry places are usually more comfortable and better for outdoor activities.
Okay. Would you change your plan if it rained?
Indeed, it is started raining. I might change my plans, especially if I had outdoor activities planned. I would likely stay indoor or find an indoor activities to do until the rain stops.
Good. Now, few questions will be based on fishing. Is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is quite well known, especially in coastal areas near lakes and rivers. There, people do fishing as a source of income and food.
Okay. So before proceeding further to this interview here, I would like to announce at your IELTS partner platform, we are offering online classes for IELTS and spoken English. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can. The number is displayed below. First of all, you can book free demo class. Later on, you can enroll in our courses. Thank you so much. Okay, do you like fishing, Vanshika?
Yes, I really like fishing because it acts as a stress buster activity for me. Even it also allow me to spend a time outdoor and connect with nature.
Mm-hmm. Okay, have you ever been to a place with lots of fish around you?
To be honest, last month I went to Amritsar with my family member where I saw a number of fishes in the pond.
What kind of people do fishing?
Well, fishing attracts a lot of people. Some do it as a hobby to relax and enjoy nature,
Mhm.
while others do it as a source of income.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on memory. Are you good at memorizing things?
Yes, I am pretty good at memorizing things or simple things like name. Short lists are a very simple, easy for me to remember. But when it comes to lengthy or more detailed information, I often make notes.
Mhm. Have you ever forgotten something that was important?
Truthful speaking, truthful speaking, I there was my passport appointment. Due to some health issues, I forget it.
Mhm. How do you remember important things, Vanshika?
To remember important things, I try to repeat in my mind or write them down.
Mhm.
Sometimes I set an alarm on my smartphones when there is an appointment or meeting.
Okay. Why do more people rely on cell phones to remember things?
There are many ways why people depend on cell phones to recall the things, as some people do not have a sharp memory, so they usually make notes and set an alarm to stay organized.
Okay. This is end of the part 1, Vanshika. Now I'm giving you cue card. This is your cue card and you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. If you wish to make notes, then you can use paper and pencil for making notes. Done?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Vanshika, you may start speaking now.
Today, I would like to talk about a time when I showed something new with my friend. A few months ago, I got the latest iPhone model and I was excited to show it to my friend who was still using an older version. When we meet, could not I could not wait to demonstrate some of the new features like the improved camera, a lot of memory, and enhanced performance.
Mm-hmm.
I showed it to my friend through the new features like upgraded phone modes,
Mm-hmm.
how the face interface had changed. I also showed her how face compared and worked with the screen display
Mm-hmm.
with the older model. It felt really exciting because I could see how impressed she was the new features. I was glad to see her how getting excited about upgrading to a new iPhone 2. iPhone 2. Yes.
Okay. Okay, Vanshika. This is end of the cue card, but you could speak more. Now I am going to ask some follow-up questions. How can young people be motivated to learn new things?
Young people can be motivated by meaning learning funds, connecting it things they like, rewarding them when they do well, encouragement and praise also help improve, feel confident and excited about learning.
Okay. What skills do you think children should learn before going to school?
Before going to school, children should learn how to communicate with other, share and offer some things. They should also prepare counting, recognizing letters,
Mm-hmm.
and so on.
Okay. What are the differences between the things adults learn and the things that children learn?
Children mostly learn basic skills like how to talk, read, write, and get along with others. Adults, however, often focus on learning more predictable, like learning new technology and problem solving.
Okay. What qualities should a good learner have?
A good learner should be excited, patient, and willing to try even if something is hard.
Mm-hmm.
But so on.
Okay. Okay, Vanshika, thank you. This is end of the test. Thank you so much. So this is time to give the feedback for Vanshika speaking in IELTS. So today, Vanshika, I'm giving you 5 band to you. There are many reasons behind this. First of all, like this is for everyone, those who are appearing in IELTS or those who are preparing for IELTS and those even searching for this, and this is the first time that they are doing preparation and they are not knowing anything else about this. So first of all, like Vanshika, you have done a mistake. When I asked introductory questions and I asked about the passport, and then you did not open that. So this is important for everyone. If you guys will appear in IELTS test, then this is mandatory that open your photograph page and then you will have to show to the examiner. So this was the mistake she has done. Secondly, when I was asking questions about rain, fishing, and memory, then I felt bit cramming in that part. So you must be smooth. Like this is intro part, and intro part is everyone is familiar with the intro part because in introductory questions, examiner will ask some personal questions which every candidate they generally experience in their day to day life. So this part is very general part. This is very much personal part, and everyone knows about this. So Vanshika, you were not confident enough while answering the part one when I asked questions about rain, fishing, and memory. Even though you were answering, but you were not confident enough. So confidence is very much required when you would answer in the part one. Then coming to the cue card, when I gave a cue card to you, then like she used some Hindi words also. She was using one particular word, that is matlab. So this is not you cannot do this, and anyone else who is appearing in the IELTS test, so in any other regional language you are not allowed to speak except English language. So you use twice or thrice that word, so must avoid it. And time length, you did not consider time, because this is very important that examiner may listen you between 1 and 2 minutes, but you stopped on your own. Until unless examiner asks you to stop it, then you will have to cover it, or at least speak minimum uh, between 1 and 2 minutes maximum. You have to speak 2 minutes, and if they stop you in between, then you can stop, but you stopped without taking care of the time. So this was the major mistake. And you were poor at all the parameters. First of all, fluency and coherence. Fluency wise you were good, but coherence wise you were not good. And secondly, I would say lexical resource, you use very common words. It is important, if you want to grab good band score, then try to use uncommon words, try to use rare words, but you use very common words, so this was a mistake. And thirdly, GRA part, you had done some grammatical errors also, but am quite I'm quite disappointed at the pronunciation part, because you need to work upon that. So from wherever you are coming, like you are coming from east, south, north, or west, but there shouldn't be any regional language touch in your language. Your accent must be clear. You must be clearly understand to the examiner. So you need to work upon your pronunciation if you really want to get good score, a desired band score. Coming to the follow up part, again you were nervous, you were not giving answers at a length. This is important to speak between 3 to 4 sentences, and then you were not doing that thing. And your answers were like too simple. It is important to give strong opinion and elaborate your answers with good examples, some general examples, or you can say some personal examples also, but you did not quote a single example in your entire speaking. Especially in the follow up part, this is important for everyone. Just describe any general example. If they ask some personal example, then you can give personal also, but this is important to quote your answer with some general examples and strong opinion also, because when they would not be satisfied with your answer, then they can ask you why and how question. I mean, that examiner can ask you why and how questions, so you have to take care of that also. So I'm giving you 5 band because of this. So this was very first time for Vanshika, because she's very new to this platform. Even she had done entire education till graduation with the medium of instruction Hindi. So I would say it's not her fault that today she hasn't done good, but with improve with the passage of time and with more efforts and with practicing with native speaker or native level speaker, she could do better. And I hope that in coming 2 months she would be able to reach at least 7 band score. And wish you all the best. Thank you so much.